check it out.
Well, hey folks, thanks for stopping in today and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to program this old style Genie keyless entry pad. This is a video that I've been wanting to make for a while because I still see quite a few of these out in the field. And a lot of times people are like, can you please program this thing for me, because it's super confusing. It's really easy. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have a nice fresh 9-volt battery in there to start with. You want to clear the memory on this thing first thing. And that's where a lot of people go wrong. They don't do that. So here it is. Raise the lid open just a little bit. You want to press program in 8. We're going to slide this lid all the way open, and you're going to see the red light come on and then go off. Just like that. Go ahead and release, close it down. Now we're ready to program this thing. So you want to raise this lid up all the way. If you don't raise it up high enough, it's not going to work. Key is you want to raise it all the way up until you see that red light come on and then flash off. So let's do this. Raise it all the way open, red light on, goes off, enter 357, program. Now we want to enter a code that we want to use. I'm just going to enter a 1, 2, 3, 4. Press program again. That light is going to blink fast twice. Now what we want to do, close that guy down like that, and we're going to go to the garage door opener. So now that we're at the garage door opener, we want to locate the Learn Smart button, the Learn Code button. On the back of this machine here, it's labeled Learn Code. And there's the button for it. So what you want to do next is press your Learn Code, let go, and it's going to start blinking. Now we want to get back to our keypad. We want to raise the lid all the way open. Red light on, goes off. We want to enter our code. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we want to press send once, twice, 3 times. And our garage door, as you can see, is working. Press send again to stop it. Press it again to raise it up. So that's how you program your keypad right there, your Genie Intellicode. Key thing is to clear it out. Thanks for following along today, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.